So, you've got a Monese account. That's awesome. Digital banking is the future, right? But here's the million-dollar question. Where's your account number? I mean, it's not like a traditional bank where they slap a shiny number on a plastic card. It's digital, remember? So, let's dive in and uncover this mystery together. First off, let's talk about why you might need your account number. Maybe you're setting up a direct debit, perhaps you're transferring money from another bank, or maybe you're just plain curious. Whatever the reason, let's get to the bottom of this. Now, here's the thing about Monese, it's designed to be simple. Really simple. So, don't expect a long, complicated process. But it does mean you might need to do a little digging. Let's start with the obvious, the Monese app. It's your digital wallet, your command center. Open it up. Now, take a good look around. Is there a big, bold number screaming account number at you? Probably not. But don't panic. Some people swear by the search bar. Just type in the account number and see what pops up. It might be a long shot, but hey, it's worth a try. If you find something, great. If not, don't worry, we've got more options. Next, let's talk about the settings. It's like the backstage area of your digital life. Go to Settings and start exploring. Look for anything that sounds like account details, account information, or something similar. You might find a goldmine there. Still no luck? All right, let's up the ante. Customer support. Yes, those friendly folks on the other end of the line, or chat, can be a lifesaver. Explain your situation calmly and clearly. They've heard it all before, trust me. Be ready to verify your identity, though. Security is important, after all. Now, while you're waiting for a response, let's talk about a few things you can do in the meantime. You can check your transaction history. Sometimes, you can find clues there. Look for patterns, maybe a recurring payment. That might give you a hint. Also, remember those fancy QR codes Monese loves to use? Well, they might hold the key. Some people have managed to extract account information from them. But I wouldn't rely on it. It's more of a fun experiment than a solid solution. Okay, let's assume you've tried everything, and you're still staring at a blank screen. Don't despair. There's one last resort, create a new account. Hear me out. It might sound counterintuitive, but sometimes, starting fresh can solve problems. Plus, it's a good way to test if there's an issue with your old account. Now, I know what you're thinking. This is crazy talk. But trust me, it's happened before. People have created new accounts, and voila, their old account number magically appeared. Weird, I know, but it works. So, there you have it. A comprehensive guide to finding your Monese account number. It might be a bit of a quest, but with patience and persistence, you'll crack the code. Remember, if all else fails, customer support is your best friend. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time, happy banking.